Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to K Family. Today, our summer vacation finally begins. We've been waiting for this trip for weeks. Everyone is already excited.
All right, time to go camping! Yay!
Noah, what are you doing?
I'm warming up.
For camping?
For eating.
Fair enough.
I already picked the perfect camping filter.
There's a camping filter?
There is now.
Shine, you trust me today?
I trust that something will go wrong.
Wow, that hurts. Between us, I actually watched 3 camping videos last night. I think I'm basically an expert now. Family meeting. Today's mission, the best camping trip ever.
And barbecue?
Especially barbecue.
Yes! He only heard one word.
Let's check everything. Tent, table, chairs, lantern. Perfect. We didn't forget anything.
Dad.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Did you pack the portable charger?
Good question.
I may have forgotten a tiny detail. Ready?
Ready. Ready. Let's survive.
Huh, that's encouraging.
Camping?
Yep.
Good luck.
Why does everyone keep saying that? Come with us. We're gonna show you what summer camping in Korea is really like.
And barbecue.
Yes, and barbecue. First stop, the supermarket. For barbecue? For everything.
So, barbecue.
Camping in Korea is basically an outdoor restaurant.
He's actually right.
This is where the adventure really begins. Rule number 1, no unnecessary snacks.
These are necessary.
When did that get there?
I don't know. Maybe the cart wanted it.
Now, this is the important part. Korean camping. Samgyeopsal.
My favorite language.
We need lettuce, garlic, mushrooms.
You can't forget kimchi. Where's Noah?
Would you like a sample?
Yes.
Would you like to try this?
Yes.
I've been looking everywhere.
I'm helping.
Helping who?
My stomach.
Enjoy your camping trip.
Thanks. We will.
Wait, who packed the cooler?
Did they forget the cooler?
We made it! This place is beautiful. This is why Korean families love camping.
It's peaceful.
Can we eat now?
We don't even have a tent. So,
After the tent? This is the easy part.
that's exactly what you said this morning.
There are more pieces than I remember.
Huh.
Is this normal?
Oh, absolutely. Okay. I definitely know what this means.
He's holding it upside down?
Huh?
Try this direction.
Oh,
That makes much more sense. I think we're almost done.
oh no. That was amazing.
Thank you.
Amazing. This is definitely going on my story.
Please don't.
A shining, vibrant
Lift.
Holding. Keep holding.
transforming every single life,
A little left.
embracing every age. And every heart
Almost got it, kids.
There, perfect.
Almost got it, buddy.
I'm an expert camper.
We did it.
This is my revolution.
Barbecue? Now this is my favorite part.
Oh, I knew it.
Every Korean camping trip starts with one thing.
Start to
Good food.
break.
Today's start. Samgyeopsal.
My best friend.
Listen to that.
Ah,
That's the sound of happiness.
it smells so good.
Almost ready, everyone. Is it ready?
No. Now? Oh, still no. See,
I can see your hand.
I was just checking.
Nice try, Noah.
Worth trying.
In Korea, everyone makes wraps their own way.
I like extra kimchi.
This, the perfect bite. I think. I'm a barbecue master.
Barbecue master? Very professional.
You know, this is why I love camping. No distractions, just family.
But
We're not finished yet.
more food?
Ah, even better.
One of my favorite things about camping in Korea.
Is this.
Ooh, it's beautiful. Careful. Whoa, it's freezing.
This is how Koreans cool off in summer.
And it's free.
I found fish.
Oh! Don't fall.
I won't. I'm okay. You found the water.
You planned that.
Maybe.
This is my happy place. Let's head back.
Can we eat again? Oh,
How are you hungry again?
I burned calories.
The best part of camping is just beginning.
It already feels so cozy.
Everything looks better with warm lights.
This is my favorite view.
What comes after barbecue?
More barbecue? Almost. Korean camping isn't complete without ramen.
Wow. I always break the noodles. That's perfectly normal. Nobody touches it. I wasn't going to. Nice try.
you never miss.
Food just tastes better outside.
Already?
I was focused, Dad. I think this is prettier than my wallpaper.
This is a Korean summer night. And but our favorite part is still coming. This is my favorite part of camping.
I could watch this forever.
That's called relaxing.
Who's making the first one?
Me. Me. Me.
The secret is patience.
No, no! Congratulations! You invented charcoal flavor.
Round 2.
Round 2. I'll do better.
I did it!
You know, I always think camping is about tents.
But it isn't. It's about moments like this.
I hope we do this every summer.
You're still eating?
I'm making memories.
I think. Summer always feels shorter than we expect. So let's make every day count. Good morning. A new day. I think I'm the only one awake. This might be my favorite camping moment. Breakfast? You woke up because of food? Maybe.
Simple food. Tastes special out here.
Before eating?
Always.
This should be easier.
Three videos?
I'm watching 3 more tonight. You're carrying the cooler?
It has snacks.
I think we packed everything. Bye. We'll come back. Korea has so many beautiful places. What was everyone's favorite part?
The sunset.
The quiet.
The meat.
The meat. If you ever visit Korea, try camping. It's more than just a trip, it's a memory. See you next time! Who bought this much food?
You did! A lot is from did.
I don't know.
I know this.
Summer vacation continues.